Today is the 14th of October, 2025. Here's a trade I took in school today. After the market crash from Friday, there was a big gap here, a new week opening gap, as well as previous day lows and Asia lows, just sitting at around the same area. And London session open. Price manipulated towards the new week opening gap, taking out Asia lows and previous day lows as well. And then I went to the 5-minute, marked out the wick that took out all of these areas as a rejection block and waited for price to go out of the rejection block, retrace, which happened here. And then I waited for either this fair value gap to get inversed or a break of structure above these highs. And the fair value gap got inversed here, but I wasn't on my phone at the time. So I just entered here on this high, targeting this 30-minute high. I set my break even to this high. So when price hit the pushed past that high, I set my position to break even. So it was a risk-free trade. And while price was moving up towards this high, I was trailing my stop loss one tick below these fair value gaps. As price was moving up, I was trailing my stop loss up as well. So once price pushed past this high, I moved my stop loss to one tick below this fair value gap. And when price hit this 15-minute high, I trailed my stop loss one tick below this another fair value gap, and price ended up reacting and moving down. So I got stopped out here. I made around $150 on this trade, and it didn't hit full TP, but it's fine because I still made some profit. Right now I'm just waiting to maybe look for another entry off of this 1-hour rejection block. Yeah, I might take another trade if I get a good entry, but if not, then I'm done for the day. It is still the 14th of October. London session just opened 20 minutes ago. Price just swept London lows and it's moving up. So I think probably I would be looking for longs to London highs. I think I'll just wait for this candle to close and mark this as a rejection block. Wait for a retrace and then look for longs to London highs. So we have a liquidity sweep, inverse fair value gap on the 5-minute, retrace to the fair value gap on the 1-minute, and now maybe just wait for a break of structure above this high. Market opened at 3:30, price swept London lows, and then started reversing, inversed. After this candle inversed the fair value gap, I went down to the 1-minute, and then I waited for price to retrace to the inverse fair value gap, and then break structure or close above a high. So there was a high here, but we didn't close above it. The next high was here, but we didn't close above it, and the next high was here, and this candle closed above it, so I entered around at the end of this candle, and I'm putting my stop loss below this, below the wick of this candle, and I'm targeting London highs. Alright, so now that price has respected this fair value gap, I'll move my stop loss to just below it. I'll probably go break even after this. Price just pushed past this high, so I'll go break even now. Alright, so ES just took out London highs. Nasdaq has not, so Nasdaq is lagging a bit. But I think if ES starts to show bearish confirmation, then I'll probably get out of the trade early. I'm just gonna keep moving my stop loss up as far as I can, so because I am in drawdown, so I'll take as much profit as I can get. No, dude, why am I getting edged? Alright, so final TP just got hit. That's it for today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.